Seriously, I'm actually a virgin.
You're
I have never fell in love before, and I will never fall in love before.
Have you cheated before?
Me? Yes.
Hey! Okay, hey, do I even have a boyfriend? I don't have a boyfriend.
Welcome you all to another exciting episode of the Free Your Mind Show. My name is Prudent himself, and today I'm actually at GH Media School. I'm going to be talking to them about their love stories, how it started and how it ended. You're going to love it. Don't go nowhere. It's about to go down.
And then I said,
You never fallen in love before?
No.
Say it. You say what? You've never?
Seriously, I'm actually a virgin.
Wow.
Yes.
You've never fallen in love before?
No.
But
I don't want broken hearts. Seriously. So.
But have you dated before?
Oh no. I've not tried before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So you're a virgin?
I'm fully Christian, so I beg you. I want a perfect man before. Nowadays, this
So don't you get honey?
guys of today, seriously, they will break your heart. Now. So I beg you.
Okay.
Let me stay cool.
But don't you get honey?
Me, I'm passionate.
Don't you get honey?
No.
You see they are virgins. I'm just wondering, like, how don't you get honey?
Oh no.
Okay.
Me, my mind is not even there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
No.
right.
Yeah.
So when you get honey, what do you do?
Oh, my friend. It's okay.
I have never fell in love before, and I will never fall in love before.
Why? It seems like people don't
Because
believe
men
in
are wicked. Men are wicked.
Oh no.
So I just want to stay alone, please.
But men are loving. Men are caring.
Men are never lovely.
Are you sure?
Men
No,
are never
I don't
caring.
agree with you. Come on.
Men can never be
Probably
caring.
you've not met the right
Men
people.
can never be lovely.
Really?
Yes.
he be lie. In Tronco.
How did they end?
Yeah.
Broken hearts.
No, but like, what's
He
the story?
cheated.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's very sad.
Men always cheat, and they will continue to cheat.
Men, you guys should stop cheating now.
Stop cheating.
But do you also cheat?
Men, stop cheating.
But ladies cheat as well.
Sorry?
I let ladies cheat a lot. Have you cheated before?
Me? Yes.
Hey!
I learn from men.
Really?
Yes.
You cheated and you're proud about it. And you
I'm
learned from
proud
guys.
because of you guys.
Okay,
You tell me.
my love story. Let me start. I fell in love when I was in SHS 3.
Okay.
So that is where I started from.
And how is it going? Are you still with the guy?
No, we broke
Why?
up
What
2
happened?
years ago.
Oh.
Oh, I stopped thinking about him. That's all. When you continue thinking about the good things that you guys, the good memories that you guys have been sharing together, it keeps coming. Like it keeps hurting you. But when you forget about it, you put it at somewhere and then you move on.
Do you miss him?
Okay. I miss him sometimes, but I'm okay. Yeah.
So do you have a new one?
Of course.
Somebody is enjoying.
Right.
39, 60, 40 over bombs.
So we're still at GH Media School. I'm still trying to talk to more people. Today, I'm vibing with all my girls, all my fine girls at GH Media School. So don't go anywhere. I'm going to find more people and talk to them. Let's go.
We started in SHS on campus. We're lovebirds, I should say. I really loved him. He also loved me. But it got to a point I just wanted to test whether he's truthful to me or he loves me. So I just asked for a breakup. I was thinking he was going to plead and say all those stuff, but then I didn't hear anything, so I just decided to back off. And he asked, is this going to continue till or I will just come back saying we should come back on it? And I said, it's going to till. And he said, really? And I said, yeah. And he was like, it means I don't love him. And I said, I didn't say that. But then I was thinking he would come back pleading, saying that, oh, why did you say we should break up? But no, I didn't get that. So I just need to back off. So
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
say he didn't love me.
song.
When he was doing the two things, was dating you, who was the main chick and who was the side
I
chick?
know me who no. Yeah, that place.
Now they say we are mean when I was starting.
Mean, but I said do baby and I some men. I'm a side chick.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you end up with a guy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Even just recently, we are still sorting things out.
Hey, and open.
Men doing this be ye
Open.
me pen. Yes.
Anything?
Eric.
Hey, Eric free.
I wish never go there.
Okay, hey, do I even have a boyfriend? I don't have a boyfriend.
You are now asking whether you have a boyfriend. Did you just ask yourself whether you have a boyfriend?
I just asked because I don't have.
You don't have a boyfriend.
I'm not ready to even take one.
But have you fallen in love before?
Of course.
Tell me, how did it happen?
Okay. I had a crush on him. So like one day we were in the dining hall.
Yeah.
And then it's like my friends connected both of us. Like I was shy though, but that was how like it started.
Okay. So how did you guys break up?
How did we break
up? What did you
up?
do?
Yeah, he cheated.
Oh. Cheated. But you should have forgiven him.
No, I don't forgive cheaters. Like
You don't give people who
cheat
cheat on you.
me. Yeah, if you love, you can't cheat on me. So, like you've chosen the person, so you have to go for the person. Yeah.
US, let's go for commercial break. We'll be back.
Have I fallen in love before?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
How did it start for you? How did you know you had fallen in love?
Because I cared more about the person than myself. That's when I knew I was in love.
What made you cheat?
A lot of things.
Tell me two of them.
Okay, fine. Maybe I felt in my relationship I'm not being loved well, so I was looking for the love somewhere else. That's one. And the second one is for my own personal interest.
Your own personal interest.
You damn shit, baby. What damn papa?
He was also dating someone else, and I didn't know about it. So I was a side chick to my serious boyfriend.
Oh my God, this is very, very hard.
You talk my niggas is bitch ass niggas.
How long have you guys dated?
7 years.
You guys should get married.
We will actually, we will.
That's
very
possible.
soon. Very soon, yes, very soon.
I know. Has he cheated on you before?
No, I have.
Why? Why did you do that?
I did because at a point in time I felt like the love was fading and then he wasn't giving me attention, and you know girls too, like we love attention, and because other guys were giving me attention, like but I told him, and then like we are still cool.
Did he forgive you?
Yes, he did.
Would you forgive him if he cheats on you?
It depends.
What do you mean it depends?
Or like it depends on the person he maybe cheated on me with. If it happened that the person is closer to me, why should I forgive? But if the person is far away, I'll forgive, but then I'll pay you back.
Okay.
Charlie.
Okay. So do you believe in love?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. So you guys are gonna get married soon?
Oh yes.
You guys should invite me to come and eat.